Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. I am Dani. I'm happy to be showing you my second look at some fall pieces from YSL. What I asked them to send were things that were lighter fabrics in terms of weight and a little bit different sizing and structure. So here's the first piece. It's a size 40. It just says robe. It doesn't have the price, so I can't show. Oh, it does. It's $5,100. Ouch. It's the chocolate mousseline robe. And it also says this product can expose you to chemicals including lead and lead compounds, which is a little bit unusual for a garment to say, but nevertheless. So I'm not thrilled with this. First of all, definitely not thrilled with the price, but I'm not thrilled with the fabric. It doesn't feel $5,100 worth. And I think I know it's a 40, so it's probably a little bit too big, but it feels really sloppy. Even if I had the belt on perfect, which admittedly I did not take the time to do, everything else just feels sloppy about it. You can see from behind, I don't really know what I would do with this or wear it with or wear it to. And maybe that's because I need a better life instead of just working all the time. But for me, this one's a pass. So I just want to show you what it looks like. Color is the hallmark of this piece, in my opinion, the color. Everything else is a big kind of, I don't think so. So let me try on the next piece and we'll hope for some better luck. All right, I'm back. So remember my first YSL video, I'll link it up in the cards. It had a tank with this same detailing, and I had said there's actually a long sleeve version of it. If those of you who are interested, you can find it at Saks. I had my sales associate pull it and send it so I could try it on. And here's what it looks like. I think it's about $1,400. This is a small. And I think it's super pretty. The neckline is very nice, although it does kind of gap a bit here. The interesting thing is that it looks lightweight, and it is. Okay, it's lightweight. It's not as comfortable as you would think. It feels like it doesn't breathe. Maybe that's because like 100 degrees in this room right now, but it feels like it doesn't breathe. So I'm on the fence about it. Anything, over 20 bucks that we're on the fence about should be a thumbs down. I'm going to show you the skirt. So I'm going to bring the video down, show you the skirt. I'm going to leave the skirt on for all the other try-ons because they're just tops. I'll just show you. We'll see. We'll talk through it together. All right. So here's the skirt. Okay, so when I first pulled it out of the package, I thought it feels really nice. It feels silky and pretty. It feels very feminine and flowy. And then as I tried it on more, it feels more and more frumpy. And that may be my height, right? I'm only 5'4", and maybe if it was shorter, it wouldn't feel like that. But it doesn't feel like it feels like it should be sexy, but when you have it on, you don't feel sexy. I don't know if that makes any sense. So for me, it's a no. Plus, it's $3,500, so it needs to be a fantastic yes for that price. But here's what it looks like in the back for those of you interested. And so for me, this one's a no, but I'm going to leave it on for the remainder of my top try-ons and a bag that I'm going to show you. But I just wanted to show you what the skirt looked like before I moved on. All right, so next piece coming up. All right, so before I move on, I want to show you the handbag that was sent to me. It's the Nikki bag. This is the small. Very cool crumpled leather. I like the look of the leather. The feel of the leather feels like pleather, to be totally candid with you. Now, I have seen Tanner Leathersmith rip apart this bag. I think it was this one. And we know that it's real leather and on, right? It's got a nice magnetic closure here, so your phone doesn't just fall right out. Nice detail. Great job, YSL, on that one. And I think we really need back pockets. Not having them in today's climate with everything smartphone based and we're pulling our smartphone all the time, it just doesn't work, right? So even with the Birkin, or the Kelly, as much as I love the bags, that part drives me crazy. And many of you have expressed the same thing. So I know they'll never get with the times because it's a classic, but it would be nice. But a lot of us are looking for alternatives to Chanel because quite honestly, the quality sucks right now. And I'm seeing bags at the store that look like this, and the quilting doesn't line up. It's ridiculous while the prices are going through the roof. So if I'm going to spend that much, it's going to be on something at Hermes. It's not going to be at Chanel. So this one, the price I think is $2,700 if I'm not mistaken, or $2,800. And there's a few colors out right now. This is the one that I wanted to see. Lots of room inside, a second pocket here. No zippered compartment inside, just a pocket. So kind of an F on that part. Here's what it looks like cross body. Those of you wondering, I know it's going to be a little bit hard to see in this mirror, but this is what it looks like cross body. It's long. So here's my Chanel medium boy, which you can see right in the mirror. It's up here. So this is how long this one is. So cross body, this one is not a fantastic bag for that. I mean, I'm trying to show you, but I can't even stand on my tiptoes enough to show you the bag. In terms of its size, it will definitely hold all of my essentials in terms of how it compares to like a medium boy. This is it. So really, this bag's gonna have to be worn as a shoulder bag. I don't see wearing it as a crossbody unless I'm super desperate. It's too long for a crossbody for me. But as a bag like this, like looking in the mirror and how it looks, I think it looks nice. The crumpled leather looks nice. The color and the sheen look nice. The price is a little bit better than Chanel for sure. The bag doesn't want to stay on my shoulder, so that's kind of annoying. So I guess I'll need to line up these parts here. But it's the shiny leather, right, that's causing it to fall. So I guess we can't have it both ways. But in any case, I did want to show you this bag, and I'm going to start looking for alternatives that are much lower in price than Chanel. This is one of them. There's some Balmain bags coming out that I'll try to show you. Just a quick little diversion to show you this small size Nikki bag. All right, back to ready to wear. Well, if I can't get it on, that makes it easy to say no. All right, so welcome back. This is the next top. It's a size small. It's $1,050. I have mixed feelings about it. It's my color. It's one of my colors. I love fall for the colors. Whether you have hazel eyes, and I know many of you have commented about hazel eyes and trying on pieces, you know, because you're not really sure what's going to look good. You know, we have yellow and we have green in our eyes. So this brings out the yellow, which is in the middle. I like it. It looks awesome. It's tight and it pulls, and it's kind of obvious that it's tight. And I think the fabric is just a little bit too thin and the shirt is a little bit too short. High-waisted jeans with it might look cute. Those are on the way out. I'm glad about that. If I'm being honest, never my thing. I like low-waisted jeans. But you can decide for yourself what you think about this one. I like that there's no blazing obvious logos. I'm liking that about this whole, you know, YSL thing. For sure, that's a big deal to me anyway. But this one, I don't know. Love to know what your thoughts are, 1 to 10. It's just, it looks very nice, but the color looks nice, but I'm just not sure that I'm going to like pull it out of my closet and wear it every day. And that is what I really need for any pieces that I'm buying today. And I know many of you are feeling the same way. So let me show you a sweatshirt. I didn't try it on. It's way too small. It looks huge. I'll show you just a moment. All right, so this is the sweatshirt. If you look at it, it looks ginormous, right? Like bigger than my body. I mean, it looks big. It's right here. So when you're trying to get it on, there's stretch here. Not a lot, but some. There's nothing here. So when you go to get it on, you can't get your arm through here. I don't even think my daughter, my teenager, would be able to get this on. Even though I thought it was going to be huge in the chest and hang down to here and it would be a big no, I can't get it on to try. So it's a small, I believe. Yeah, it's a size small. Those of you who are interested in it, who are smaller than me, it's $1,050. It is called the Maxi Mulliton in blue. Just too difficult to get on and off. And for me, that's a no-go. All right, I'm going to try the next piece. All right, so welcome back. This is a size small. It's $1,000. Love the color. Don't like anything else. No, I like how stretchy it is. So you can see here, you know, I could gain like 100 pounds and this thing will still fit, except under the arms. It drives me crazy. So unfortunately, even though it fits well in the bust and there's plenty of room, under the arms are tight, and I just personally can't stand that. So also, so the other one was too short. As you can see in the mirror behind me, this one's too long. It looks frumpy. So this one's a pass for me, but I want to show you up close what the color looks like, what the style looks like. I actually thought this was going to be a yes till I tried it. So that's why we try all of these on, right? So I'm going to try the last piece, which is a white t-shirt, and then I'll be wrapped up for this video. All right, trying on all these pieces and get all disheveled. So this one is $620. It's a size small. This is the most comfortable thing that they have provided actually to try. And but it's just a t-shirt, right? And it has a big logo. So those are two. I mean, t-shirt plus logo equals no purchasing for me. But I did want to show you what it looks like, and it is super comfortable. So if you're looking for a basic tee, I don't even know what it says in the back. Same thing. Looking for a basic tee to kind of just throw on. It looks like you have Saint Laurent from going and coming. As you can see it back here. Then it might be your thing. And it is cute. I just don't like the logos or the designer names as obvious on my clothing anymore. New thing for me. Many of you have seen my Chanel videos going back years, and you know that has not always been my thought process, but it is as of this moment in time. So, you know, our fashion sense is always evolving, and that's where mine is at. Thanks in part to my 14-year-old, actually. Okay, so look forward to your thoughts, comments, questions. I'm happy to take any questions. I'm happy to ask the sales team questions that you have for you and get back to you. And I am grateful for your viewership. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for your support. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video.